Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new day. Guess what day it is today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. You got it. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. That's right. Can you help me read the date? Let's do it together. Today is Wednesday, January 19th, 2022. Super duper duper. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Now I have a little question for you. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? Two, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do they have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. That's right. So when it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, let's look at the short vowel sounds. Look, there's the happy face. Apple. You read it. You can do it. You're awesome. Elephant. What does the elephant say? That's right. Inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. Very good. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. It has a different sound than the short sound. Listen and repeat with me. A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper duper. Awesome. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to do some reading together. Yes, we are. Little book 3. 1, 2, 3. It's the lizard family. Let's review the sounds. Repeat them or say them before me. Whatever you like. R. Mother Lizard says, well done. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound t, 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 as in table. T says t, t, t. Ta. It's a blend. Ta, ta. Ta. Tom. Great reading. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound boo, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says boo, boo, boo. Ba. Butterfly. Bus. Bus. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down. Look at that nice yellow bus. Sam met Tom. Sam met Tom. Wow, great reading. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Little book 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the little piggy family. Let's review the sounds. R, I, S, A, B, F. Father Pig says, well done. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound as in fox. F says, fit, fishing. Fit, fit. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh my. The name of this letter is G. It makes a sound G, as in goat. G says G, G, G. Ga, gas. Ga, oh, gal. That's another name for a girl, is gal. Meg, meg. Got, got, gum. Meg got gum. Wow, you guys are amazing readers. Now let's read some words up here on the board. Look, there's only one vowel in each of these words, so it's the short sound. So I marked it with a happy face. Let's read them. He, hen. Kit, kit. Bat, bat. Wet, oh, well. If there's two L's, remember, we just say one of the sounds. Okay, just one L. Well. Leg, leg. Cat, can. Bag, bag. Wig, wig. There was a pig and he was big. He wore a wig and did a jig. Yeah, okay, awesome. Now it says letters and sounds, page 52. So I know we skipped over a few pages. That's just because I want to review the words. So we'll go back and do those next week, okay, parents? If you see that we skipped a few pages, we'll go back and do them. I'm just reviewing some words so that we know them really well before we do our evaluation, okay? Awesome. Okay, so here, 52, because it says up here, letters and sounds, page 52. We got our letters and sounds book out. And here we go. It says circle the correct word and color the pictures. Okay, let's say the words and then you decide which one says it, okay? Dog, dog. Hat, hat. Box, box. Cub, cub. Well, well. Duck, duck. Jet, jet. Kiss, kiss. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, and that is our reading, phonics, and letter sounds and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.